हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स सी द क्वेश्चन। तो क्वेश्चन क्या है कि एट ए प्लेस ए फ्रीली सस्पेंडेड मैग्नेट shows a deep angle of 30 degree, means the apparent deep at that point is 30 degree. If the plane of the magnet is at angle of 45 degree from the magnetic meridian, then the real deep of the magnet will be. इस क्वेश्चन में हमारा जो की कॉन्सेप्ट है वो है रिलेशन बिटवीन angle of depth and components of magnetic field, right? तो क्वेश्चन में गिवन है कि हमारा जो apparent angle of depth that is delta dash is equals to 30 degree, और the angle between the plane of the magnet and the magnetic meridian, that is theta, is equals to 45 degree. So we have to find the real angle of dip, that is delta, right? So we know that the relation between angle of dip and the components of the magnetic field, that is tan delta, is equals to BV by BH, where BH is the horizontal component of the magnetic field, of the total magnetic field, and BV is the vertical component of the total magnetic field, but B is the actual magnetic field, but delta is like here. So this is our relation between real angle of dip and components of magnetic field. And the apparent, in case of apparent angle of dip, that is tan of delta dash, we know that in this case the vertical component remains same and the horizontal component, that is BH, that becomes BH cos theta, where theta is equals to 45 degree, and that is the angle between the plane of the magnet and the magnetic meridian. So going to the next page, now we find that tan of delta dash by tan of delta, that is equals to BV by BH by BH cos theta है by BV by BH. So here we get 1 by cos of 45 degree, because theta is equal to 45 degree, that is equals to root 2. So 1 by tan delta, that is equals to root 2 by tan of delta dash, and delta dash equals to 30 degree, and tan of 30 degree is equals to 1 by root 3. So this becomes root 2 into root 3, that is equals to root 6. So we get that cot of delta, that is equals to root 6, where delta is equals to real angle of dip. Hence, delta is equals to cot inverse root 6, and this is our final answer. That is option D. So our option D is correct, that the real angle of dip is cot inverse root 6. Hope you understand the question. Best of luck.